In this video, we're going to take a look at ticker symbol LOW. That is going to be Lowe's. We do have earnings coming up in here in a couple weeks, August 20th, pre-market to be exact. That earnings cycle is going to be your August 22nd Friday, and we are pricing in right around a $13 expected move in there. So we're going to see how volatility expands and or contracts as we're working our way into that earnings report. Now, today, big day in here, almost $8 up on the day, 741 to be more exact, up around 3%. We ended the day 233.81, and the good news in here, we breached that 231.76 level. So you can see that's our big 50% fib retrace here on the weekly chart. So that is good. If we can hold that as we work our way throughout the week, that is going to be a big area for us that's going to be a good sign for us as we're working our way into the earnings. So we're going to see if this breach that we had in here today will hold. Now, as far as resistance wise, we're going to be looking at the 237 right here. That's going to be that high off that May 15th. And then we're looking at the 241 level, 244 level in here. That's going to be your 38.2 fib retrace. Now, the support, obviously, we just mentioned that 231.76, but below that, we're looking at this 9-day EMA in here, sitting right on that 226. And then below that, we're looking at this 200 SMA, which is sitting right at that 222.25 area. So we'll see what happens in here as we start working our way towards that earnings report. We're going to see if we get an expansion away from this 9-day EMA from the 200 SMA in here. We're going to also see if we get a volatility expansion or contraction as we're working our way to that earning. Right around a $5 expected move priced in by this Friday, $8 by the August monthlies. And then obviously, like we already mentioned earlier, 8/22 expiration pricing in right around a $12 expected move, $13 expected move in there. So we'll see what happens as we work our way into earnings. But again, 231.76, that's going to be your main level in here. If you can hold that, then we should be good to go to start climbing higher to the 237s and then the 244s. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.